Hello Gadget Arena channel friends, come back with us here. This time we will discuss the Infinix GT 10 Pro cell phone. This cell phone is suitable for recommendations for game lovers in the world. The Infinix GT 10 Pro was officially launched as a gaming smartphone with a cyberpunk design. Infinix has just introduced its newest device, which is claimed to be the company's first gaming smartphone, named Infinix GT 10 Pro. This smartphone also looks fierce thanks to its cyberpunk and mecha designs. This collaboration further strengthens the impression of Infinix GT 10 Pro as a gaming smartphone. Plus the presence of a mini LED that can be customized on the back of the body. In the global market, the price of the Infinix GT 10 Pro is $240 or around either 3.6 million. The Infinix GT 10 Pro has a 67-inch AMOLED display with a resolution of 1080 x 2400 pixels. This smartphone even supports an adaptive refresh rate of up to 120 Hz and a touch sampling rate of 360 Hz. This smartphone is supported by the MediaTek Dimensity 8050 chipset combined with 8GB RAM and 256GB ROM. Infinix also includes virtual RAM capabilities of up to 8GB. To support its performance, Infinix includes a 5000 mAh battery that supports 45W fast charging capability with a bypass charge system. This technology is said to reduce heat during play and extend battery life. For performance, it is powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 8050 chipset, which has 6nm process technology from TSMC. This high-performance chipset is combined with 8GB LDR4X RAM and 256GB UFS 3.1 internal storage. There is a hybrid microSD slot to expand storage space up to 1 TB. To support gaming performance, the Infinix GT 10 Pro is equipped with a vapor chamber liquid cooling system. This technology is claimed to minimize heat. Supporting features are 5G network, dual nano SIM, Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth, NFC, fingerprint scanner under the screen, Z-axis linear motor to provide haptic feedback when playing games, a USB-C port, 3.5mm audio jack, and FM radio. The operating system it runs is Android 13 with a polished UI user interface XOS 13. This screen with an aspect ratio of 20:9 is decorated with a punch hole which accommodates a 30MP front camera. Moving to the back, the rear camera configuration is a 108MP f1, 75 main camera with a 67-inch sensor. The main camera is equipped with a 2MP lens. The 45W charger presented supports the USB Power Delivery 3.0 Type-C protocol, so it can be used to charge other devices that support the same protocol at high speed. The presence of stereo speakers that can produce sound output from the left and right channels. The stereo power of this speaker is assisted by tuning from DTS and high-res audio. This cell phone is also presented with a 5G cellular network and Wi-Fi 6 support for fast internet speeds, both when browsing, streaming, video calling, and playing games. Thank you for visiting and watching our video. We hope the information we convey is useful. Don't forget to subscribe, like and comment.